Hi friends, this is Rizwan Khan. I'm the senior partner for the Fanar Advisors, and today we have a very prestigious guest, Mr. Asad Mubin, who is the Chief Business Officer for the Flylight Group of companies. So we will discuss little bit about the telecommunications, and we'll discuss how it's supporting to the clients into the telecommunication industry. So we'll try to understand from him that how it's supporting to his clients. So welcome, Mr. Mubin. How are you?
Thank you very much.
Today?
How are you? I'm good.
Everything is going fine, great.
Alhamdulillah.
So I was trying to approach you earlier also, but meanwhile we are lucky that we have you here.
Thank you.
So we will try to understand from you, if you can give us little bit brief about your business to us.
So thank you very much for giving me a chance to opportunity. And we are the group of companies. My company name is Flylight Group of Companies, and we have a multiple businesses under one group of companies. Okay. So first of all, we are starting in 2018. Okay, Flylight, the name of company Flylight. Okay, and now we are in 2025. We are the group of companies, and we are the authorized channel partner in Do, and Alhamdulillah we are the second largest channel partner in Do.
Very good.
And we have two segments. One is the B2C and one is the B2B. So in B2C department, we are the second largest channel partner, and in SME department, we are in number 5 position, Alhamdulillah. And last month we are receiving the award from Do to sell the highest number of internet connections in all over the UAE.
So now as the business is growing and new investment, Alhamdulillah, is coming in UAE,
Yes.
and lot of new investors, they are establishing their companies with Fanar also, because we are also one of the service provider. We are helping to the clients to establish their businesses in UAE. So I want to get that perspective, that how you can help us out, those who are recently starting their businesses into UAE. So what the special offers you are having? If I am coming as a entrepreneur in UAE, so what the special offers you can offer to us?
Yeah, we have a very good offers for the entrepreneurs. Okay, we have internet options and SIM card options for the SMEs client. So in this, जब हम कोई कंपनी जो है, जब भी न्यू कंपनी को स्टार्ट होती है, तो हम उनसे अप्रोच करते हैं, उनको राब्ता करते हैं. हमारी जो टेलीकम्युनिकेशन जो टीम टेली सेलिंग की बैठी हुई है, वो भी राब्ता करती है, और हम क्लाइंट के साथ मीटिंग्स भी अरेंज करते हैं. उसका फ़ायदा ये होता है, एक तो ट्रस्ट लेवल क्लाइंट का बन जाता है, और जब हम उसको लोगों के मुकाबले में एज़ कम्पेयर टू अदर्स पार्टनर्स हम फास्ट सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करते हैं. हमारे पास कुछ चीज़ों की असेस ऐसी है कि हम ऑफ द रिकॉर्ड जाके कस्टमर को फेवर देते हैं, और बिल्कुल न्यू क्लाइंट्स के लिए होता है कि हम उनको बहुत अच्छे पैकेजेस हैं हमारे पास, इंटरनेट और सिम्स कार्ड के लिए. तो हम उनको एक अच्छा बेनिफिशियल एक कॉस्ट कटिंग प्लान देते हैं, जिसमें उनकी कॉस्ट भी सेव होती है और उनको सर्विस भी मिलती है, क्योंकि वी आर सपोर्टिंग 24/7 फॉर द क्लाइंट्स. वी आर अवेलेबल फॉर द 24/7.
So as a individual customer, I got to know that you have very special packaging offerings, especially for the individuals, in which data packages which you are giving.
Yes.
So because one thing which I as a user or as a consumer, what I am looking for, we look forward that what is the speed rate, because internet browsing should be very much fast, how can access to the web. So that is the most important as a consumer perspective. And secondly, yes, as a business, we have lot of we want swift, fastest service, which always required from the telecommunication services. So those you have what's the plans you are offering specifically, data bytes, which you can provide, that is the coverage into this data package. What is the maximum level you are providing?
Sir, we have starting a package from 10 Mbps speed for 10 Mbps to 1 Gbps plans, and we have a multiple options. Actually, first we can listen your need, and according to fulfill your needs, we can recommend the packages. So we have a lot of packages detailed in internet especially. We have a lease line packages, we have a wireless packages, we have a fiber optic packages, and do Alhamdulillah has coverage of more than area in all over the UAE. Like in Dubai, Business Bay, Dubai Motor City, Dubai International City it's a shared zone and in zone area.
Yeah.
Do has a very good speed and very good 5G network coverage in those areas.
So, like as I told you that we are facing, sometimes we face some difficulty, like when we are on height.
Yeah.
Something like the communications are not as much swift. So, like how they are planning to fix these issues? So what is their perspective, and how, like as a channel partner, how you are all remediating these issues? So what are the way forward for this?
Last week सर हमारा मीटिंग होता रहता है हर वीक 2 में ना, तो हर वीक एवरी मंथ तो हमने उनसे रिक्वेस्ट की थी आज से 1 से 2 साल पहले। तो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अगर आप जाओ हाइट पे, रैसुल खैमा वाली साइड पे जाएं, पहाड़ों के बीच में, माउंटेन्स के बीच में, तो आपको अब हमारे टावर्स नज़र आएंगे और आपको अब कोई भी ऐसी डिफ़िकल्टी फेस नहीं करनी पड़ेगी अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। और स्पेशली जो है ये जो हब है बिजनेस बे हो गया राइट, और ये जितने भी आपके डाउनटाउन वगैरह है, इसमें आप सम बिल्डिंग्स में आप जाओ तो इंटरनेट नहीं चलता, आपका 5G नेटवर्क काम नहीं कर रहा था लिफ्ट के अंदर भी, लेकिन अब ऐसा नहीं है। अब अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह फेस जो है हमने प्रॉब्लम जो है वो सॉल्व करवा दिया है।
अच्छा, वेरी गुड। सो इंटरनेशनली, लाइक द कस्टमर्स दोज हु आर रिसेंटली कमिंग, ऑब्वियसली सम ऑफ द कस्टमर्स दे वुड लाइक टू कॉल इनटू देयर कंट्रीज, टू देयर क्लाइंट्स. So for that you have some special packages?
Yes, we have a very good plan for the roaming, and Do is covering the 190 destination in all over the world. So we have a very good packages plan for the international calling, and we have a very good plan for the roaming also.
And pricing is also flexible.
Very flexible, very cheap pricing.
Very good.
Yeah.
So that's a good news, which you are handling. By the way, like as a channel partner, you on to the day-to-day basis, you have lot of queries which are coming from your client. Obviously, you will have a lot of emails also. So how you spend your day in this?
Sir, we start a day at 8 a.m. and lot of emails are pending for the last night, and we are a very good customer care department for supporting for the customer 24/7. So in just single call we can solve the problem of the customers, alhamdulillah.
Yeah, and follow-ups are very good.
Yes, sir, follow-ups are very good.
And one thing which I have also noticed, which we were earlier discussing with you, that you told me that anywhere when is a new occupancy of some property and new tenants or the owners, they are going to shift there. So immediately I have seen your team is very active.
Very active, yes.
So how you have made the mechanism that these leads all needs to be followed?
We are working on the multiple tools, not only the telecalls. We are visiting the markets, and one of our team is working in field. Early in the morning they can go to the field, and late night they will come. So we have a very good coordinate with them and with clients also, and we are following up. Follow-up is very important in sales. So our follow-up is very good for the building management also. We are dealing with the building management when the new tenants are coming. So they will tell them, and we can proceed the new customers and sales also.
Yeah, so as a Fanar, obviously, the companies which are onboarded with us, so they will be intended for their employees like SIMs. So in as you are telling lot of about the Do services and how the Flylight, they are helping to the consumers. So one thing special packages you have some for the corporate clients.
Yes, we have a very good offers, especially SME clients. SME clients, yes. We have a very good options.
Okay.
In internet and SIM cards both.
So discounted packages are also there.
We are giving a very good service and discounted packages also.
And this service is 24/7 you are having?
Yes. Customer care is 24/7 open. You can just call and your problem is solved within 3 hours.
Within 3 hours?
3 hours, yes.
The problem will resolve?
Yes, resolved.
Very good. That's a very key part.
Yeah.
And as Mr. Mubin has also highlighted this thing that the roaming packages are also very good.
Yeah.
And obviously the Fanar clients, those who are recently have made relationship with us, So they have also a great opportunity, like if they need these services for the telecommunication perspective, so we can take support from Mr. Mubin.
Inshallah.
And in our services, we will additionally we will offer these services also to our clients, those who want to recently establish their businesses. So this telecommunication, they don't need to worry. So we are going to support them in collaboration with the Flylight group of companies. So, and Mr. Mubin is also 24/7 available with us.
Available.
So we both in a joint matrix Fanar and the Flylight, we can help out to the all clients into the telecommunication perspective also. So I think Mubin, any other aspect you have the vision for your company, and what is your way forward in which you are thinking how to enhance more and more business? So what is your vision for the Flylight?
Sir, my vision is at the end of December 2026, we are the #1 partner in both segments, inshallah.
Very good. So that's
consumer and SME, inshallah.
Yeah, and one thing this is the idea of the success which we studied in Oxford University also, that always make first of all smaller goals, then it converts into the bigger goals.
Yes, exactly.
So that is right. He has also designed in his mind that 2026 he is having some goal, and later on inshallah he will have some future goals also. So this is the young leaders, and Fanar is supporting to the young players into the industry. Same like this, young leadership is also coming in front of us, so we should support. So this is the platform we keep sharing our thoughts from the Fanar perspective, that new investment should come in UAE, and on a very useful model which can bring more viability for the execution of the business. So that opportunity we are giving from the Fanar to the new investors. So we will encourage to the all new investments, those who are intended to do some businesses in UAE. We have lot of free zones, more than 40 free zones right now we are engaged. So anyone who wants to establish new business in UAE, they can contact us at a Fanar platform. So we will inshallah support them swiftly. And meanwhile, yes, if as an additional part of this, that we will also offer the telecommunication facility to our clients, when they were intended to take that. So Mr. Mubin and his team will also support. So we will give a complete package to our clients. So idea is this, to give all services to our clients at the doorstep. Whenever client is onboarded with us, so all these features will be available. So I think this is the company's grow. This is how we can penetrate into the market. Thank you very much, Mubin. It was great to meet you today.
Thank you very much.
And obviously, it was a great awareness session for our customers also.
Inshallah.
So I wish you best of luck in your future.
Thank you.
And same like this, from Fanar, I would like to thank to all our customers, those who are intended to establish their businesses in UAE. Don't delay and just contact with us on the Fanar. Thank you very much.